Hello and welcome to the channel. I am Poonam Dua from MEd Education Academy of Literature. Today I am going to discuss MEG03 British novel June 2020 question paper with you. इंग्लिश लिटरेचर एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है इंग्लिश लिटरेचर का, स्पेसिफिकली ब्रिटिश नॉवल। इस सब्जेक्ट में आपको 9 क्वेश्चंस दिए जाएंगे जिसमें से 5 आपको अटेम्प्ट करने होंगे। लेट अस डिस्कस द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। डिस्कस द रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ फीमेल कैरेक्टर्स इन टॉम जोन्स। So, in the answer, after giving the introduction of the novel, you have to assess the condition of female characters, जैसे कि सोफिया वेस्टर्न, ब्रिजेट ऑलवर्दी, जेनी जोन्स, मिसेस फिट्सपैट्रिक, लेडी बेलिस्टन, मिसेस वेस्टर्न। तो आपको असेस करनी है सारी फीमेल्स की कंडीशन। टॉम जोन्स को इंट्रोड्यूस करना है, जो कि एक कॉमिक नॉवल है बाय द इंग्लिश प्ले राइट एंड नॉवलिस्ट हेनरी फील्डिंग। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आपको फेमिनिस्ट रीडिंग करनी है प्राइड एंड प्रेजुडिस की, वेरी फेमस नॉवल रिटन बाय जेन ऑस्टन के द्वारा लिखा गया बहुत ही अच्छा नॉवल है ये, प्राइड एंड प्रेजुडिस। दिस नॉवल प्रोवाइड्स एन इंसाइट टू द कम्युनिटी to determine the role of females, role of women in the early 19th century, where women were always viewed as weak and not having matching abilities as to the male characters. For example, right to get the inheritance was not with females. In this novel, the society basically embraces the patriarchy culture. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आपको एनालाइज करनी है नरेटिव टेक्निक्स ऑफ वदरिंग हाइट्स, हाउ दीज अफेक्ट द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ द नॉवल। Emily Bronte has very cleverly used the technique of dual narration in Wuthering Heights. Bronte uses a dual narration which varies between the characters. One character tells the story to another character and that another character tells the story to us, the readers. Next question, question number 4. Can Great Expectations be seen as a Bildungsroman? Elaborate. In Great Expectations, Charles Dickens uses the elements of multiple genres in telling the story of Pip, our protagonist, who narrates the novel. As such, it can be called a Bildungsroman novel that charts the protagonist's intellectual and emotional development. Next question, how does the community operate as a moral voice in Middlemarch? George Eliot's novel Middlemarch, I think, is a serious discussion of moral issues. George Eliot very successfully creates the moral psychology of her characters in the whole novel Middlemarch. Next question, bring out the symbolic significance of the title of the novel Heart of Darkness, जो कि जोसेफ कॉनरेड के द्वारा लिखा गया है। डिक्शनरी मीनिंग इस टाइटल का है कि इंटीरियर्स ऑफ अफ्रीका, जिसको कॉन्गो कहा जाता था, एंड अनदर हिडन मीनिंग इज द टाइटल स्टैंड्स फॉर द डार्कनेस और द ancientness, primitiveness that every person possesses in his or her mind in this novel. The setting time of the novel Heart of Darkness dates back to those periods when the continent of Africa was not fully explored, was not fully developed. So the continent was called the Heart of Darkness. Next question, discuss the point of view in a portrait of the artist as a young man. A Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man is the first novel of Irish writer James Joyce. Although most of this novel is in the third person, a point of view is Stephen जो कि हमारा central character है. As Stephen develops as a person and the language and perspective of the narration develop with him, we see everything in the manner in which he thinks, Stephen thinks and Stephen feels. The point of view is completely from Stephen's mind. Next question, attempt a character sketch of any figure in a passage to India whom you found particularly compelling. Explain your reasons for the choice. Passage to India, novel by English author E.M. Forster. It was set against the backdrop of the British Raj, British colonialism, and the Indian independence movement in 1920s. And there are many characters like Dr. Aziz, Cyril Fielding, Adela Quested, Mrs. Moore, Professor Narayan Godbole, Ronnie Hislop, and you may write answer as per your choice of the character that appeals you the most. Next question, what are the elements of autobiography that one can find in The Prime of Miss Jean Brodie? The Prime of Miss Jean Brodie एक नॉवल है, मुरियल स्पार्क के द्वारा लिखा गया, and is one of the best known of her works. Partially based on the life of Christina Kay, अगर आप लोगों ने नॉवल पढ़ा है अच्छे से तो. इट इज़ बेस्ड अपॉन द लाइफ ऑफ क्रिस्टीना के, वन ऑफ स्पार्क्स टीचर्स ड्यूरिंग हर हाई स्कूल years in Scotland, and this book has some autobiographical elements, impacts, comparing Christina K with Brody and Spark with Sandy. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to share and subscribe the channel. Do a very detailed study to appear for any of the literature exam. Fresh admissions for IGNOU MEG in our academy will open after Feb TEE, and best of luck for the upcoming exams, and do not forget again to share and subscribe the channel.